Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can save your stories from Instagram with music. So let's get right into it. Now, the only thing that you need to do to save your story is start creating it, make all the changes that you want, and then once all the changes are made, instead of posting it, all you have to do is save it to your device, and I'll show you how. Now, if you're on your main page just as I am, you can just hit the plus icon in the bottom of your screen, or you can just swipe right and that'll directly enter you to the story screen. If you click the plus, as you can see, you'll start creating your post and you'll have to select story manually. If you swipe right, you'll immediately go to story. Now you want to select whichever image it is or video that you want, or you can record it now or make it now, or you can choose from your gallery. It doesn't really matter. Then from the top, in the top right, as you can see, I'll just mute it like this. At the top right, you have the note icon. You just want to hit that, and whoops, clicked. You just want to hit the note, and then you need to search for the music that you want. And I'll, for example, post 50 Cent, and I can only select 2 seconds because that's how long the video is. If the video is longer, the music will be longer, and that is it. And you can select if you want lyrics, if you want music only, if you want some of these images of the album or the song. It really doesn't matter. And now once you have the music, you just click done, and in the top right, hit the 3 dots, click save, and once it saves to your phone, it will have the music within it and you'll have it in your gallery. And it is as simple as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.